Good morning and welcome to the Waverider Morning News. I'm Anna.
And I'm Eliana. Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2019. It is the 54th day of school. There's still time to sign up for the 2020 Shamrock Final Mile. Sign-ups are open until December 13th. Register at www.shamrockmarathon.com.
Girls on the Run will meet this afternoon in room 7. Please wait until your grade level is dismissed before going to the meeting.
The deadline for yearbook cover design entries is December 2nd. You only have 6 days left to submit a design for the 2019-2020 Shamrock Ocean Lakes Elementary School yearbook.
The top entries will be voted on by students, and the winning entry will be used on the yearbook cover. Please see Ms. McGowan if you have any questions.
Attention all 5th graders. This evening from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., Plaza Middle School will be hosting their Middle Years Program Open House. This is a great opportunity for you to see the building and get more information on this unique program.
This week's vocabulary word of the week is unruly. A synonym for the word unruly is the word not listening.
Try to use the word of the week in a sentence. Put your sentence in the box on the stage no later than this afternoon.
Here are today's birthdays. Happy birthday today to Tamaya A. from Miss Oxenine's class
and Tegan W. from Miss Avery's class.
Please be sure to stop by the office to pick up your birthday pencil. We hope you have a great birthday.
Today's lunch is a choice of Chef's Special Fiesta Nachos, pork barbecue on a bun, fresh entree taco salad, or fruit and yogurt parfait and a roll.
Now it's time for the weather with Hillary.
Currently under partly cloudy skies, the temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 1,025 millibars and rising. Winds are coming from the north at 8 miles per hour. The humidity this morning is 79%. In the past 24 hours, we have received no rain at Ocean Lakes. The National Weather Service forecast calls for sunny skies with no chance of rain today. Today's high temperature will be 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight's low temperature will be 42 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day forecast calls for partly sunny skies with a 30% chance of rain tomorrow, a slight chance of rain Saturday morning with a 70% chance of evening showers. Partly sunny skies Sunday, and then sunny skies Monday. High temperatures will be in the mid-60s tomorrow, the low 50s Saturday, the upper 50s Sunday, and then the mid-50s again for Monday. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Eliana and Anna.
Thanks, Hillary. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Anna.
And I'm Eliana.
Have a thankful Thursday.